Hey guys, it's not 2 years, but it's been 5 months. So I thought I should come back with another YouTube video just for some quick updates. I just picked up some of my packages today and I'm so excited, so excited. I wanted to do a raw unboxing type of video for you guys, but you know, I had to check my package when picking up. So yeah, this will be good news. I opened the box already, but I haven't opened the top thing because I kind of felt that it was what it was anyway. So yeah, we'll start with this. Shout out to my college friend, Fred, for sending it and said happy to Jake. So let's see. Oh, I can get it open. I mean, that's hard to open it. Definitely got in this space. Oh, never mind. I got it. Okay, so it is some tabs. Love it. Thank you so much. It's the little things, you know, it's the small wins. It's the small wins. So that's one of them. And then go into this box. Thank you to Wife Her Ministry on Facebook and their program that they had going on, their giveaway program. So I signed up. One of my good friends, shout out to Ayana, for telling me about it because I honestly don't be on Facebook. So she forwarded this giveaway to me. And that's how I got to create my Amazon wish list anyway. And so I was at a summer camp during that and I was like, why not? So I quickly made my Amazon wish list and I sent it. I filled in all the requirements. One of the questions was, why do you think you deserve it? And I just was honest and I said, listen, I love to have a vivacious classroom. I love manipulatives and things of that sort. And so I would use the funds and order more math manipulatives to make math more exciting because that's kind of what I do. And I ended up winning $100 Amazon gift card. And so I cleared some of the gifts from my Amazon wish list. So excited. Also, while we are here, just want to give a huge shout out to Miss Ashley Johnson, A1 Academics, for donating towards the cause as well. And Pastor Marvin Roll for also donating. And then there was also Mrs. Alexis Roberts, who also donated towards the cause. I deeply appreciate all of the generous donations and it will go to good use. Thank you so much. So first we have these buzzers, answer buzzers for games. I can't wait to use this one. Like, so many ideas. So that's one. And then, okay, all right. Then we have some clocks, some analog clocks. Now last year I had so many jokes with my 9th graders and my big one analog clock, but this has a few in it. It says for ages 5+, but I mean it's still useful in middle school, so I'm so excited to use this for when I'm teaching telling time. And then we have some money, some fake money. I love teaching consumer math with like something in hand because I think this is one of the most exciting topics for students. Like they be so excited when it's time for money. And one thing I always tell them, if you want to learn nothing else in math, don't get swing. So yeah. Then we have math cubes for my math center. So I could use this to teach times tables, addition, subtraction, so many different things that you could use, okay? And you're probably saying middle school? Yes, middle school. So some students still need that extra help, that extra boost. So I'm excited to have it. Then pattern blocks. And so I can't wait. I love geometry and I have so many ideas with this. Fraction war cards to add to my card collection. And last but not least, bingo. Bingo for division and multiplication. And so I'm so excited. I'm so excited to use them within my classroom. And stay tuned. I may, you know what, even though 5 months is better than 2 years, just refer to my TikTok because I post there way more often. And so Easy Mathematics _ is my TikTok, and you will see some of these be utilized throughout the academic year for this academic school year for sure. But thank you guys for watching. I'm going to pack back this box so I can take to my classroom tomorrow. I can't wait because I'm still unpacking, guys. I'm still unpacking. But just wanted to come through and give you guys a little, update on teaching. Happy new school year, by the way, 2023, 2024. I think I'm in a more positive mindset for work this year, and I'm super excited about that. I'm actually dressing up for work again, and so I don't know, I just feel like it's gonna be a good year. I feel like more at peace. Like last year I felt like I ended with mental turmoil, but I feel good. I feel like I'm getting my groove back a little bit. So I'm excited, and to all my teacher friends, I'm wishing you a great academic year 2023-2024. Until next time.